So my name is Shane McQuillan. I did software engineering for my undergrad at Dublin City University in Ireland, and I started the ESTEEM program last year here in Notre Dame. And from that, I hope to go on and focus on entrepreneurship and hopefully someday be a serial entrepreneur with multiple different ventures behind me. So with the engineering end, I was very much focused on actually making the, developing the applications, but not really thinking about how to get them to the customer. It's not as simple as just making the application, putting it out there and hoping that people buy it. So with ESTEEM, it sort of creates this awareness of, how to actually get it to the people and make them aware of its existence, and even catering the product to the customer's needs. It really makes you understand the needs of the customers, which is something that you maybe don't focus on enough in an engineering program. You sort of focus on just making a product and not necessarily focusing on exactly what the customer wants. For my capstone thesis, I worked on a mobile application to detect concussions. The application used speech analysis for the detection methods, a very novel approach to the problem. Other concussion detection tools use things like reaction times, memory tests, and there's all sorts of problems with these sort of tests. So we're looking at this new approach where we look at an individual's speech, and we have found that a person's speech, certain features in a person's speech tends to change following a concussion, and we can measure these using the software that we have developed. So this actually trailed off to become a startup, and Contact Incorporated. I'm now working on the company to try and make this product reality and actually get it out there to the market. So we're still focusing on our proof of concept. We're really trying to prove that this application works, and for that it's involving a lot of data collection. I've been out at multiple high schools and universities where we're going to be testing this application, where we're really getting a taste of exactly what is needed. Current solutions don't really work on sidelines, for example, and at a football game, a coach or a trainer wants to be able to assess a kid there and then, so we're focusing on making our solution right for that sort of problem. With engineering, you're just very focused on the product rather than the things that surround the product, like the customer. There's more of a focus on the customer and on the person who's actually going to buy the product, which I think is probably the best part of ESTEEM. And it teaches you first off how to get to them, but exactly what they want to see. It also teaches you about how to actually run a business, how to fund a business, daily operations, make sure that things run efficiently, effectively, working with the right people, making sure that people work together well, and just really brings all the different elements together. If you have ideas and you would like to see your ideas become a reality, not just as a product, but as a product that people actually buy, then something like ESTEEM is perfect for you, because it allows you to go beyond the product and actually ensure that you don't just build a good product, you make a product that is successful in the market, and you understand how to deliver it to the people. So coming from an engineering background, your focus is on very concrete solutions. There's usually a definite answer to a problem, and with business there is a lot of ambiguity, and with a purely engineering background, that can be sometimes difficult to deal with. And by going and doing something like ESTEEM, you really learn to deal with ambiguity and to become more decisive, and to be actually able to deal with multiple different outcomes and make a good choice. If you want to create impact, visit our website.